Hello, today is November 10th, 2024. Just want to make a quick video about a few stocks that have just soared since Donald Trump's presidential election win this past week. The market just went crazy, especially Bitcoin. It's up over 80,000 at the moment and just continuing to climb higher. And there's really no end in sight this year with more rate cuts. We can really expect the market to continue to see a lot of volatility. The next rate cut is scheduled for December. So personally, if you buy in around the 1st or 2nd of December, stocks should be at a decent price to buy into these future companies, and you can stand to make 7 to 15%, depending on which company you decide to invest in. Just taking a look at the market, you had Tesla this past week, which is currently trading at $3.22 a share. It's up over 29% in the past week alone. I mean, it's just went parabolic. There's a lot of news about Elon Musk actually being part of Donald Trump's cabinet this year. So it would be something to cause Tesla to continue to see a spike in price. Elon Musk actually made $15 billion when Donald Trump was elected. So that's a great sign for Tesla, as well as a few of these other companies. Carvana was up 7% in the past week, as predicted. It did exactly like everyone thought it would do. I actually made a YouTube video last week talking about it going up 7%. Past predictors are a good indicator of what's going to happen in the future. I think we're going to see the same thing happen next month in December that happened this month as well as last month. So expect Carvana to dip again right before rate cuts. December 1st or 2nd be excellent time to buy Carvana, and you can stand to make an easy 7%. Next company, MicroStrategy Incorporated, was up 19% this past week. MicroStrategy Incorporated, its ticker symbol's MSTR. It mirrors Bitcoin and Ethereum. When Bitcoin drops in price, so does MicroStrategy Incorporated. And if it starts to surge like it has this past week, it's caused MicroStrategy Incorporated to just continue to climb higher. It was actually trading at 185 around a month ago. Congratulations to everybody who bought in on those stocks. Whether it's MicroStrategy Incorporated or Carvana, there's tons of money to be made. You can check me out on Twitter to get all my trade signals. It's totally free. Just search Josh Delosier. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram Live between 8:30 and 9:30 a.m. Then looking at the next company that done extremely well, NVDA was up 5% this past week, and it's just continuing to climb higher. It's set up to make another nice run this December, and don't be surprised if sometime in the middle of January this company is actually worth around 175 or 180 a share. Sometimes the Christmas rally comes late, and it just wouldn't be surprising to see NVIDIA trading at 180 a share just here in the near future. So my opinion is to load up on any of the companies I've just mentioned. The stock market's at all-time highs, and it's with Donald Trump as president, we should continue to see these companies increase in value. And because of that, the stock price will continue to go up with Bitcoin and Ethereum at all-time highs. The Dow, all across the board, no matter what you're in, there's a ton of money to be made. But if you choose stocks with a lot of hype, like MicroStrategy Incorporated or Coinbase, another company that's done exceptionally well. Coinbase was trading around 220. It's it's continued to climb higher. It should continue to go all the way back up to around 260 or so. You really can't go wrong. Choosing the companies over the coin itself, because you don't have to incur all the trading fees. If you day trade Bitcoin or Ethereum, you're paying 1.5% each trade. If you just use an app like Webull, which is the brokerage I use, you can day trade MicroStrategy or Bitcoin and not pay the 1.5% trading fees. That there's a real killer. When you look back at your 1099s, you can look to see how much money you paid in fees. It's just it adds up really quickly. It just really hurts the overall profits. It just makes more financial sense to day trade Coinbase. It's pretty simple. Webull is one of the few brokerages you can day trade between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. Also, they're getting ready to add a new feature where you can trade overnight. Robinhood already has that currently, and glad to see Webull finally catching up. But that's probably the latest news from Webull. Also, you can get a free stock in the comments below. There's a referral link. Just click on it. It's totally free. All you gotta do is link your Webull brokerage account to your bank account, and you'll get a free stock. Last time I got ADT. Before that, I got a couple shares of AMC. Can't go wrong. Just looking at this market, though, every time that we have interest rate cuts, the market's going to stay choppy. So, make sure that you pick the right companies, and as always, cut your losses quickly and let your winners run. Also, another company that's done exceptionally well, PLTR Technology. It's actually over $50 a share now. That is another company to keep an eye on, especially through January. Anytime PLTR Technologies has a red day, I would definitely pick up some shares of PLTR Technology. Made my first video on it a few months ago when it was $25. So congratulations to everybody who got some shares of PLTR Technology. It's doubled in price in just a few months. Can't go wrong there. Also, I'd keep an eye on Robinhood. There's been a lot of volatility with Robinhood. Ticker symbol HOOD. And also Spotify, ticker symbol SPOT, having another amazing year. It actually went over $400. But if it has a pullback under $390, great place to pick up Spotify. But yeah, just about every stock on my watch list just went parabolic this week. Can't go wrong. Day trading the best companies in the world. All will do exceptionally well with Donald Trump. He's definitely the best president we could have got for a strong economy. So we're looking forward to finish this year at all-time highs. So definitely invest today, and so that way you don't miss out on any of these great companies. If you have any stocks you'd like me to talk about in these videos and do a deep dive into, please leave in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to include it in my next video. But as always, do your own due diligence. I will see you all back here next week with another video. Hope everyone has a very profitable week.